Hey everyone, just wanted to give a little update of what's going on. My little plans for today. I've got the passenger side quarter panel sitting next to the 62 Miller-Meteor. And today I'm going to go ahead and start trimming the inside and get this kind of skinned out a little bit more and get the inner fender well out, so I can kind of start measuring and kind of getting a ballpark figure, an idea of how to take this quarter panel and put it on this car. Of course, this is off of a 4-door 59 Cadillac, and the one thing between a 4-door and a 2-door is about this much right here. If this had been a 2-door, I'd have no problem. I wouldn't have to patch anything, but I'm gonna have to hopefully get this body line, make it disappear, and then of course down here I have to just repair some rust down there, but get rid of this little V section. So that is the plan for today, is to get the 59 skinned out and kind of get it hanging on there, just kind of get an idea.